Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Let us solve exercise 20b part 3. Question number 21. The perimeter of rhombus is 46 and if the height of the rhombus is 8 meter, 8 centimeter, find its area. Now the rhombus is also a parallelogram. So if we know the base, we will be able to find its area. So all the sides of rhombus are equal. So let us find the side of a rhombus. So side of a rhombus is equal to perimeter divided by 4. So 46 divided by 4, 11 point, we get this as 46 divided by 4, we get this is 11.5 centimeter is the side. So this becomes, the base becomes 11.5 centimeter now. All the sides are 11.5. So area of rhombus is also here, as it is a parallelogram, we are going to use base into height, which is 11.5 times 8. So we have 11.5 times 8. We get this as 92 square centimeter is the area of this rhombus. Easy that? Question number 22. The figure given below shows the cross section of a concrete structure. Calculate the area of the cross section if AB is given as 1.8 centimeters and CD is given as 0.6 meter. DE is 0.8 meter. EF, this is 0.3 meters. AF is 1.2 meter. And we are asked to find the area. So what we can do here, we can just draw a line parallel like this down. And this becomes a parallel line. Let us name it as ED. Okay, now this is again 1.2. So we get one trapezium. This is a trapezium and we get a rectangle. So area of this cross section is going to be area of a rectangle plus area of a trapezium, wherein we should know the parallel side. So height of this trapezium is going to be 0.8 plus 1.2. So let us write the dimensions for trapezium. For trapezium, the height is equal to 1.2 plus 0.8, which is 2 meter. And the parallel sides we need to know BG. So BG is equal to AB, which is 1.8 minus this is 0.3, opposite sides are equal, minus 0.3, which we get as 1.5 meter. Now let us find the area of the cross section. So the area of a cross section is area of a rectangle. So area of this rectangle is going to be 1.2 times 0.3 plus area of a trapezium is half height which is 2 bracket sum of parallel sides. So these two are the parallel sides, which is 0.6 plus this we calculated as 1.5 meter. So plus 1.5 meter. So this 2 and 2 got cancelled. 1.2 into 0.3 is going to be 0.36. 1.2 into 0.3 is 0.36 plus 0.6 plus 1.5. 6 plus 5, 11. This is going to be 2.1. So this is how 0.36 plus 2.1. We get this as 2.46 square meter is the area of this cross section. Calculate the area of the given figure, which is drawn not to scale. Drawn not to scale means it is not exactly, the 15 centimeter. Okay. Not to scale means we cannot draw the entire building on a paper. Okay. Like a scale drawing that we need to say. 25 centimeter, which actually on a paper it should be 5. But in a real life, it is 25. Okay. So we need to draw. Now what we observe here, this is parallel. So these two lines are parallel because this is 90 and 90. So we get a trapezium and a triangle. So if we find the area of a trapezium and area of a triangle, our work is sorted. We are able to find. For a triangle, we already know the base and height. For a trapezium, we know the parallel sides, but we don't know the height. Had we known this part, it would have been easy. So what we do here, we draw a line parallel and perpendicular to this base. Now these two sides are equal. Now this is 15 and 15. So 25 minus 15, you get this part as 10. So let us find the height of a trapezium. Now this part you got 10. Height of a trapezium by Pythagoras theorem. So h is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, let us find h. So h is equal to square root of 26 square. 26 square minus 10 square. 26 ka square is 676. 676 minus 10 square is 100, which is 576, and that is 24 centimeter. So h is 24 centimeter we got. Now the height of the trapezium we know. Let us find the area of this figure. So area of this figure is equal to area of a trapezium, which is a half h, that is 24. Parallel sides are 15 and 25. So 15 plus 25 plus area of a triangle is half base into height. The base is 25 and the height is given 12. So half into 25 into 12. So 2 ones are 2 12s are. 15 plus 25 is 40. 40. 12 fours are 48. 48. This is 480. 2 ones are 2. 6 are 12. 25 6 are 150. 480 plus 150, 0, 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1, 6 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 630 square centimeter is the area of this figure. Got it? So what was important here? Finding the height of the trapezium. In the following diagram, the pentagonal field ABCDE, in which the length of AF is the AF, FG, GH. So AF is 50. So let us write here 50 meter. Then FG is 40. So FG is 40 meter. Then you have GH is 15. So GH, this part is 15 meter. And HD is 25. So HD is 25 meter. And the length of BFCHEG, BF is 50. So BF, this is 50 meters. CH is 25. This height is 25 meters. And EG is 60 meters. So this is 60 meter is given to you. Determine the area of the field. Now look at this figure carefully. So you have this one. This is going to be one complete triangle. Okay, we are dividing. Let me divide this into 2. This is 3 and this is 4. So area of these 4 parts will give you the area of complete pentagon. Okay. Now for that we need to know the base. So base of this triangle. So area for base of this triangle, that is AD. AD is equal to 50 plus 40 plus 15 plus 25. 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 plus this 15 is 105. 105 plus 25. This is 130 meter is your AD. Okay, now let us find the area of this all. So for a trapezium, look at this. This is a trapezium where these two lines are parallel. Okay, and these two lines are parallel, and this is the height of the trapezium. So height of the trapezium is 40 plus 15. For trapezium, the height is your FH. Let us write down the things which are required. FH is equal to 40 plus 15, which is 55 meter is the height of this. Now let us directly calculate the area. So we have area of A, B, C, D, E is equal to area of this triangle. Area of triangle AED plus plus area of triangle ABF plus area of trapezium. Area of trapezium BFHC plus area of triangle CHD. Got it? So these are the areas. So area of the triangle AED, the first one, it is half base. The base is AD, which we have taken as 30 into height is GE, that is 60 meters. Plus area of ABF. This is an right triangle. So half base into height, that is half 50 into 50. Plus area of this trapezium. Plus area of this trapezium is half H. The height is 55. And sum of parallel sides is, these are the parallel sides, 50 plus 25. And the area of the last triangle again, it is half 25 into 25, the first part. Got it? So let us simplify this all together. So we have, okay, 2 ones are, 2 30s are, 2 ones are, 2 25s are. So this is again, so this is 3900 plus 25 into 5 is 125, 1250 plus 50 plus 25. This is 2 ones are and 2. This is 27. 55 divided by 2 is 27.5. So 27.5 multiplied by 50 plus 25 is 75 into 75. You get this as 2062.5. 25 into 25 is 625. And 625 divided by 2, you get this as 312.5. Add these all components. So 312.5 plus 2062.5 plus 1250 plus 3900. You get this as 7525. 7525 square meter is the area of this pentagon. Got it? A footpath of uniform width runs all around the outside of a rectangular field 30-meter long and 24-meter wide. If the path occupies an area of 360 meters square, find its width. So we are given a rectangular field and there is a path which goes around it 30-meter long and 24-meter wide. The footpath of uniform width runs all around the wide. So this width, we need to find the width. So let this width be x. Let this width be x from all the sides. Okay. Let it be x. The footpath of uniform width runs around outside of a rectangular field 30-meter long. So the field, this is the field, the blue color one is the field. So this is 30-meter long and 24-meter wide. If the path occupies an area, so we know that this pink area, the area of the path is given as 360 meters square. We have to find the width. Okay, so what are the dimensions of the outer rectangle? So this is 30 and this x plus x. So this becomes 30 plus 2x. And the width of this becomes 24 and this x plus x, this was 24 plus 2x. Got it. Now the area of this path is given to you. So we have area of this path is area of outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. That is 30 plus 2x times 24 plus 2x is the area of outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. It is 30 times 24 and which is given to you as 360 meters square. Now we need to simplify this. So before that, we can again take this common. If I take common 2 over here, so 2 in bracket, I get 15 plus x. If I take 2 common from here, so 2 bracket, I get 12 plus x. And minus 24 times 30 is 720 is equal to 360. So again, we have, no, this is multiplication. So no plus sign there, please. Okay. So now this we have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4 and we need to multiply this 15 plus x into 12 plus x. So multiplying the binomials, we have already learned how to do that. So let us do it over here. And this 720 goes here, 360 plus 720. Okay, now 15 times 12. So 15 into 12, 15 times 12, you get it as 12 is 180 plus 15 times x is 15x plus 12 times x is 12x and x times x is x square. So this now, this is 15 plus 12. We have x square plus 15 plus 12 is 27x plus 180 is equal to is 1080. This divided by 4. This 4 we will shift over here. So 1080 divided by 4, which we get as 270. So this equation further becomes x square plus 27x plus 180 minus 270 is equal to 0. So 270 minus 180, we get this as 90. So we get this as x square plus 27x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we need to factorize this. The factors of 90 which will add up to 27. So we know that 30 times 3 is equal to 90, and we have the middle one positive. So it is 30 times minus 3 is equal to minus 90. So the factors are x plus 30 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can get, if x plus 30 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to minus 30. And if x minus 3 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 3. So width cannot be negative. So this is how the width of the footpath is 3 meters. Understood? A wire is bent in the form of a square. So it is bent in the form of a square which encloses an area. So this area is given as 484. So let us find the side. How do I get the side? So we have x square is equal to 484. So x is equal to root of 484, that is 22 meters is the side of a square. Now if the side is, we know the side. Now what is the another thing we know? That the perimeter of all of this is equal. The wire when bent in the form of a square encloses this area. Find the largest area enclosed by the same wire when bent in the form of equilateral triangle. So what we understand that the perimeter of a triangle and a rectangle and a square are same. So we got this x as 22 meters. So perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square, or which is nothing but the length of a wire, which is equal to 22 times 4, which is 88 meter. So if this is an 88 meter, now we are asked to find the area of equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 times side square. So now side of the equilateral triangle, since the perimeter is 88, the side of this equilateral triangle is going to be 88 divided by 3, because sum of three sides is going to be 88. So 88 divided by 3. So let us calculate this together. So it is 4 ones are 4, 22s are. So root 3 value we can take as 1.7. The root 3 value is 1.73 into 22 into 88, and this divided by 3 3s are 9. So let us calculate this. We get this as 3349.28 divided by 9. So dividing by 9, we get this as 372.14 square meter is the area of an equilateral triangle. Now we need to find the area of a rectangle when the breadth is 16. Now breadth is given as 16, we don't know the length. So the length of this, let us calculate this part over here. So perimeter, that is twice length plus breadth, is equal to 88. The perimeter is same. So the rectangle of breadth 16. So it is twice. This 2 goes here. So length is length plus breadth, which is 16, is equal to 88 divided by 2, which is 44. So you get this as length is equal to 44 minus 16. We got this as 44 minus 16, which is 28 meter is the length of this rectangle. So now let us calculate area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length times breadth, which is 28 times 16. So 28 times 16, which we get this as 448 square meter. So this is how we found the area of a rectangle and also the area of an equilateral triangle when we were given only the area of a square. And the perimeter of all of these was same. Moving to question number 27. For each trapezium given below, find its area. Now, area of a trapezium is half height in bracket sum of parallel sides. So, we need to know the height for here. So, let us drop a perpendicular over here. So if I drop the perpendiculars from both sides, so this is 12 and these two sides are equal. So 20 minus 12 is 8. So this is going to be 4 and 4. So let us find the height. So h is equal to square root of 10 square minus 4 square, which is square root of 100 minus 4 square is 16, which is 100 minus 16, you get this as 84, root of 84. So find square root of 84. When we find the prime factors of 84, we have 84. If I find the prime factors, 2 fours are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are. So we have 2 times 21. So when this comes out, so we get 2, 1, 2 comes out, 2 root 21 is the height of the trapezium. So area of this trapezium is equal to half into height, which is 2 root 21, bracket sum of the parallel side, that is 12 plus 20. So which is, this 2 got cancelled. 12 plus 20 is uh, 32 root 21 square centimeter is the area of this trapezium. You can keep that as it is. Now, the next one again, we need to find the height over here. So we drop a perpendicular. This is 8. So 14 minus 8, this is 6. And let us find the h. So you get h is equal to square root of 10 square minus 6 square, which is root of 100 minus 36, that is root of 64, and that is 8 centimeter. So we got height as 8. So area is equal to half height, which is 8, bracket sum of parallel side, that is 8 plus 14. So 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So 8 plus 14, 14 plus 8 plus 22. So we get 22 times 4. 22 times 4, we get this as 88 square centimeter is the area of this trapezium. For the third one, again, you are given a trapezium, but it is not an isosceles trapezium. So how do I find the height? There it was easy to drop a perpendicular and find the height in the first question. So what we will do is we will draw a line which is parallel. So let us take C, E, A, B, C, D, E. Let us take this as E, and this is a line parallel. So if this is 10, so this is going to be 10. Now, and this is 20. So this opposite side A is going to be 20. So 32 minus 20, this is going to be 12. So we got a triangle BCE where it is a scalene triangle. So if I find the area of this triangle, then I'll be able to find the height. If I find the height of this triangle, then I can find the area of this trapezium. So let us first find area of triangle BCE. So for BCE, for triangle BCE, your S is equal to 12 plus 10 plus 16 divided by 2. 6 plus 2, 8. This is 38 divided by 2, which is 19 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. So area of triangle BCE is equal to square root of S bracket S minus A. 19 in bracket 19 minus 10, 19 minus 16, 19 minus 12. So we get this as a square root of 19. 19 minus 10 is 9. 19 minus 16 is 3. And 19 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is 7. 19 minus 12 is 7. So square root of 9 is 3. So this 3 comes out. And then 19 times 21. This is 3 sevens are 21. So 19 times 21, we get this as 19 times, we get this as root of 399, which is very much close to 400. So root of 400 is 20. So this will be somewhere close to 19 point something. So if I have to find the square root of 399 by using long division method, you can do that. 399 ka square root we can find using long division method. So we pair this and then we can put points over here. So we have 1 times 1 is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Then we have 1 plus 1, which was 2. Bring this 99 down. 29 nines are, because we know now 399 is closer to 400. So it could be 29 times 9. 9 nines are 81. 8. 9 twos are 18. 9 nines are 81. 8. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. So we get this as 261. Subtract. So plus 9 here. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. So we get this as 38. And subtract. So 9 minus 1 is 8. This is 3. Bring these two zeros down. Point. Now this is 3800. And if I put a 389s, 38 into 389 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 3 nines are 27. We are getting 9 nines are 81. 8. 9 eights are 72 plus 8 is 80. 9 threes are 27 plus 8. 27 plus 8 is 30. This as 3 times 19.9. So one up to one decimal place only I calculated. So 19.9 times 3, we get this as 59.7. So this you got area of this triangle. So area of this triangle is again half base into height. So base is 12 into h. So you get h is equal to 59. This is 2 ones are and 2 six are. So 59.7 divided by 6. So 59.7 you divide by 6. You get this as 9.95 is your height. And now let us find the area of trapezium. So area of ABCD is equal to half h, which is 9.95, in bracket sum of parallel sides, that is 20 plus 32. So which is half into 9.95 into 52. So 2 into 26, and 26 into 9.95, 26 into 9.95, you get this as 258.7. 258.7 approximately. 258.7 square centimeter is approximately this area, because we have not exactly calculated. Up to two decimal places we would have calculated this. So this is the area of trapezium that we got. About isosceles trapezium, so you can drop the perpendiculars from here to find the height. So dropping the perpendiculars down, since it is an isosceles trapezium, so this is 30, so this is 18. So 30 minus 18, you get this as 12. So this is 6 and 6. You get this as 6 and 6. And then you can find the h by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can find the height. So h is equal to square root of 12 square minus 6 square, which is root of 144 minus 36. So 144 minus 36, you get this as 108, root of 108. So 108, if we do the prime factorization, we can understand like how much can be taken in common. So 2 5s are, and 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 27s are, 3 nines are, 3 threes are, and 3 ones are. So this is, if I take under the root, this is 2 and this 3 and 3 has a pair and this does not. So square root of this is going to be root of 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So which is 2, 1 2 will come out and 1 3 will come out, and under root 3. So 3 twos are 6. 6 root 3 is the height. And then we can find the area of this trapezium. So area is half h, that is half 6 root 3 in bracket sum of parallel sides, that is 18 plus 30. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are. This is 3 root 3 into 3 plus 8. This is 48. And 48 times 8 times 3, 48 times 3, it is 144. 144 root 3 square centimeter is the area of this trapezium. So you can put the value of root 3 as 1.732 and calculate further. Even if you keep this much, you get full marks. Moving to question number 28, the perimeter of a rectangular board is 70 centimeter, taking its length as x and the width in terms of, find its width in terms of x. If the area of rectangle board is 300 centimeter square, find its dimensions. Taking length as x, find the width. So, and the perimeter is given as 70. So, perimeter, that is twice length plus breadth is equal to 70. So, length plus breadth is equal to 70 divided by loop, that is 35. If length is x, then x plus b is 35. So, you get breadth is equal to 35 minus x. And you are given the area is 300, that is x times 35 minus x. Length times breadth is 300. So 35x minus x square is equal to 300. Bring this x square this side, so x square becomes positive. Bring this 35 there, it becomes negative. Minus 35x plus 300 is equal to 0. So you get, factorize this, factors of 300. So it is 20 times 15 is 300. So minus 20 times minus 15 is 300. So we get the factors as x minus 20 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So you get x, if x minus 20 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 20. And if x minus 15 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 15. So the dimensions are 20 and 15. So you can say that length is equal to 20 centimeter and breadth is equal to 35 minus 20, which is 15 centimeter. Either way. So this is how we found the dimensions. The area of rectangle is 640. Taking the length as x, find in terms of x the width. So x is length times width is equal to area, which is 640. If length is x times width is equal to 640, so you get width is equal to 640 divided by x. So this is how we got width of the rectangle as 640 upon x. If the perimeter of rectangle is 104, find the dimensions. So what is the perimeter? So we have twice length plus width is equal to perimeter. So let us put the value twice. Length is x plus width is 640 upon x is equal to perimeter, which is 104. So if we simplify this, you get x into x is x square plus 640 divided by x is equal to 2 goes here, it is 52. So you get x square plus 640 is equal to 52x. So you get x square minus 52x plus 640 is equal to 0. So we need to factorize this. So factors of 64 adding to 52, 32, 2s are 64. So 32 times 20 is 640. And we want the middle term is negative. So minus 32 times minus 20, 640. So the factors are x minus 32 and x minus 20 is equal to 0. So if you get x minus 32 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 32. And if x minus 20 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 20. So the length of this we can take as x, length is equal to 32. Then you get the width of this rectangle as 20. So this is how the dimensions we calculated. Question number 30. This is the last question of this exercise we are doing now for this video. Sorry, there are 6 more questions left which we'll be doing in the next video. So the length of the rectangle is twice the side of a square and the width is 6 centimeter greater than the side of a square. So we have a square and we have a rectangle. So let us take the side of a square to be x and the length is twice the side of a square. So length becomes 2x and the width is 6 centimeter greater. So width is x plus 6. And if the area of a rectangle is 3 times the area of a square, find the dimensions. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth is 3 times the area of a square is side square, that is x square. So we get an equation 2x into x is x square plus 2x into 6 is 12x is equal to 3x square. So you get 2x square minus 3x square plus 12x is equal to 0. So you get minus x square plus 12x is equal to 0. So if you take x common, you are getting minus x plus 12 is equal to 0. So you get either x is equal to 0 or minus x plus 12 is equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 12. This minus 12 goes here or minus x moves here, you get x is equal to 12. So this is how you get the side of a square. You get side of a square is 12 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. The length of a rectangle, the length of a rectangle is twice the side. So 2 into 12, that is 24 centimeter. And the width of rectangle is x plus 12, that is 12 plus 6, that is 18 centimeters. So this we have done with 10 questions in this video. 6 more questions left, which I'll be coming up with the next video. So children, if you like it, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.